Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel and the Workbench. From Fine Scale Modeler, their special issue of contest cars. This is from Kallenbach Publishing, which is the owner of the old, or the former, Scale Auto Enthusiast. And as you can see, their annual contest cars is out, and I'm telling you, I'm excited about this one. Muscle cars, gassers, pickups, customs, hot rods, lowriders, and there's just so much more. But this one has a particular car in it that is very special to me, and I am excited to share it with you. Stick around. Guys, if you don't have your copy of Contest Cars yet, you can get it at your local hobby shop. If they don't carry it, you can get it at Barnes & Noble, and I'm told several other bookstores. But check it out. It's just really some great models in here, too. Up front, they've got some great advertisement, not only for their own magazine there, but you've got Gopher Racing here. If you're not familiar with Gopher Racing, head over and check out their website. Some really great stuff, some awesome decals, pre-wired distributors, seatbelt stuff, all kinds of great goodies. They're getting into the tires and wheels, as you can see here now, too. If you wanted some back issues of contest cars, you can go back on Kallenbach's website or go to Contest Cars, and you can look that up, KallenbachHobbyStore.com. Contest Cars, and there you go. You can order back orders or back issues. As I said, this is a special magazine to me. And a little about it real quick. There are 24 contests that were around the country between the summer of 2022 and summer of 2023. So a year's worth of coverage. And of these 24 shows, you've got from all the way to the IPMS Nationals, a lot of the local shows that are photographed. And if you are putting on a show and you want to photograph for and submit it to, well, whether it's this magazine or Model Cars magazine, there are certain guidelines you need to go by, and they're pretty much the same with both companies. But in the magazine, you've got a submission guide, and it tells you how to photograph, your focal points, and all that kind of stuff. Please do these things. Please don't do these things. But this is the full guidelines for how to photograph a show and to submit, what publications are looking for. So it's really good information no matter what magazine or publication you're wanting to shoot for. Some great stuff. Well, as I said, there is some absolutely fantastic cars in here all the way through. Great show coverage from, again, around the country. This one from Ivergrove Heights, Minnesota. And it's just, and I'm not going to go page by page. I'm not going to ruin that for you. I want you to just go grab you a copy and check it out. But the Southern Nationals, some of the ones that I go to, and there's some great coverage from the Acme Southern Nationals. And check that out. Beautiful stuff, I tell you guys. And as you see, for some reason, this mail truck, check those wheels out. Is that not just cool? I tell you, when you look at these contest cars or any of the magazines and you look at stuff, there's just so much awesome inspiration in these things. Old school gasser, love these things. The teardrop trailer, my buddy Kenny Shores did this, K-Dog, and this, oh man, I just love this kind of stuff. Oh, my buddy Brian Burwell, check that out. Is that not just a gorgeous piece of work there? And there's just so much in here. But as I said, as you go through, just awesome stuff. But there is one car in this magazine that just absolutely, I just went crazy over. This was just absolutely something. And, well, let me get back over here. I've got to find it again. Okay. The South Carolina Modelers Association's Hope It Don't Snow show. And isn't that Jack Ingram car? Beautiful. But there's one car in this entire magazine that stood out to me as a very special meaning. And that is this Mystery Machine. The decal placement is just almost absolutely perfect. You see Scooby and Shaggy in there, shagging down the road. And this is just awesome. Now, why is this car above every car in here so special to me? Because in the junior under 11 years old category, modeler Zoe Rogers, my granddaughter, who loves Scooby-Doo, built the Revell Mystery Machine, a snap-together kit with some minor help. I had to push a few things to get them to snap into place. But I tell you what I was impressed on was I was so uptight about her getting the decals on right. And the placement, I didn't help her with that, guys. She was spot on. Completed the van by herself and had a blast adding the stickers. And she did. She absolutely loved this. And guys, this is the future of the hobby anyway. And she does love putting together stuff for or with Papa. And she is going to be, well, we got 2 more to work on for this coming Hope It Don't Snow show. But isn't that special? Love it. And there were a lot of juniors at this show, and some really good models, actually. But again, this is just absolutely, let me back off here a little so you can see. That's a little better. Great show coverage. And over 500 cars and some great inspiration. Check out that. Is that not something? There are just, look at that. 39 Chevy. Just some good old school stuff, some modern stuff. And I like to see them when they mix up the old with the new sometime. But just great coverage. And again, great inspiration in these things. Check out that hauler. Is that not just cool? Well, sorry about the glare, guys. There's also some out there stuff. And this is from the IPMS Nationals. Again, and if you're not familiar, AMT is releasing in 25th scale, the Green Hornet's Black Beauty. And this, as I understand it, comes with Kato and the Green Hornet figures, too. I tell you what, driving around today, I could sure use some of these rockets. I better shut up before I get myself in trouble. All right, guys, if you see me driving down the road with a bazooka or a Laws rocket hanging out the window, I can't stand stupid drivers, but who can? Anyway, guys, not that I probably in my youth wasn't one from time to time. Well, I'm rambling again. Guys, if you haven't picked up contest cars, head to Barnes & Noble or your local hobby shop, pick you up one. Great stuff, man. Check out Zoe's car. Isn't that awesome? Can you tell Papa's a little proud? Hey, guys, love you. I really do. God bless. I will see you in the next video. Go get a copy. Thanks, guys.